So this is our new Cosmo vent hood, and I really like it because Cosmo is a little bit of a cheaper brand, but they don't put their brand anywhere on it that's visible. So you can actually match it with pretty much any appliance. When you're buying a vent hood, one thing to pay attention to is what color the LED display is. This one's white, so it matches my GE oven perfectly. It's got a white display also. The thing is super quiet. There's 3 levels, and you can see it counting down right now. That's when you hit the power button off. It'll actually count down 1 minute to kind of get all that residual steam when you're done cooking. Or you can hit the button twice to go ahead and cut it off immediately. But I really like it. It's sharp looking, and you can duct it or just push the air back into the room with some charcoal filters. So great looking vent hood.